Assalamu alaikum. Class 4th. You know that our chapter is factors and multiples. Today I am going to repeat some topics related to our chapter factors and multiples. First one is common multiples and least common multiple. So first I am going to repeat one of the topic from our chapter factors and multiples, that is common multiples and least common multiples. So today we will understand first how to find common multiples, then least common multiple, that is called LCM. So let us consider two numbers 2 and 3. So our question is 2 and 3. We have to find common multiples of 2 and 3 and then LCM of 2 and 3. So I have here considered numbers 2 and 3. Firstly, we will find multiples of 2, then multiples of 3. So first, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2 1 or 2, 2 2 or 4, 2 3 or 6, 2 4 or 8, 2 5 or 10, 2 6 or 12, 2 7 or 14, 2 7 or 14, 2 8 or 16, 2 9 or 18. These are the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. You can write up to 9, 10 places. This is upon you. Maximum you will write up to 7, 8 places or 9, 10. Don't go beyond that. You can write so many, but better is to write up to 7, 8th place. Now multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 same. Repeat the table of 3 and write the multiples. 3 1 or 3, 3 2 or 6, 3 3 or 9, 3 4 or 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, 3 8 24 and so on. Now what you have to find? You have to find now common multiples first. Common multiples. Now common multiples of 2 and 3. Now see which one is common. Here 6 is there, 6 is there, 6 in both is common, write 6, then 12 in both is common, now write 12. Now after that 18 is in both, so 18 is in both, so 18 is common. So 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Now which one is the least common multiple? Smallest one or the first common multiple, or you can say least one multiple of 2 and 3. So least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So therefore LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This is the way how to find least common multiple or LCM. First you have to find the multiples of the given numbers. Then you have to find the common multiples. After that you can find the least common multiple or LCM of that numbers. Now our second topic is how to find common factors, then highest common factor. Let us consider two numbers. Here I have considered two numbers 24 and 32. First we will find factors of 24, then factors of 32. After that we will find highest common factors in 24 and 32. So first one is factors of 24. Let us start with the first number, that is 1. 1 into what? You will multiply by 1, that is equal to 24. You have to multiply 1 by 24. 24, 1 into 24 equals to 24. Then second is 2. 2 into 12 is 24. Same. Repeat it again. Now after 2 is 3. 3 into 8 is 24. Then 4. 4 into 6 is 24. Now in 5. In 5 table there is not 24. So 5 is not a factor of 24. Then 6. 6, 4 are 24. So there is repetition. 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. You have to stop there. So better stop here. 4 into 6 is 24. These are the factors of 24. Now factors of 32. Same, start with 1. 1 into 32 is 32. Now 2 into 16 is 32. 2 16 are 32. Now 3. In 3's table there is not 32 there. So 3 is not a factor of 32. Now after that is 4. 4 into 8 are 32. Now 5. Check in 5 if you want to check. 5 in 5's table there is not 32. So 5 is not a factor. Then 6, again in 6 there is, in 6's table there is not 32, so 6 is not a factor of 32. Now 7, in 7's table again there is not 32, so 7 is again not a factor of 32. Now 8, 4 are 32. So 4 into 8 or 8 into 4 is both are 32, so we have to, better is to stop here. 4, 8 are 32. Now let's write first factors, all the factors. So first write factors of 24. The factors of 24 are, which one is factor? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write these all here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 6, 8, 12, 24. 6, 8, 12, 24. Then after that, now write factors of 32. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4. Write these all here. 1, 2, 4. Then 8, 16, 32. 8, 16, 32. These are the factors of 32. Now what we have to find? Common factors. So common factors in 24 and 32. So common factors are, which one is common here? 1 is both, so 1 is common. 2 is in both, so 2 is common. 4 is in both, 4 is common. Now after that 8 is common. Now 12 is not there, 24, 16, 32, so only 8 remains last. So the common factors of 24 and 32 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now what we have to find? Highest common factor. Which one is the highest common factor? Highest one is 8. So HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. So HCF is 8. Highest common factor is 8. So this is the method how to find common factors, then highest common factor. And also I have shown you how to find common multiples and least common multiple. Now I will show you the relationship between HCF and LCM. We know what is HCF and LCM. HCF is short form of highest common factor and LCM is a short form of least common multiple. Now I will show you interesting relationship between HCF and LCM. So for that I have taken here an example to understand relation between HCF and LCM. For examples, find the HCF highest common factor and LCM least common multiple of 7 and 91. So numbers are 7, 91. We have to find HCF and LCM. Solution: we will divide 91 by 7, bigger number by smaller number. Let us do division process. Write dividend inside 91, divisor outside 7. 7 1 are 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 comes down, bring it down. It becomes 21. 7 3 are 21, 21 minus 21 is 0. Hence our remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, it means smaller number is HCF. Smaller number is HCF highest common factor and bigger number 91 is LCM least common multiple. So in this way, simply when we divide smaller number by bigger number, bigger number by smaller number, we can easily find which one is HCF and which one is LCM. This is a simple way to find LCM and HCF of two numbers. Now our next topic is prime factorization. Prime factorization. Here is a word prime, then factorization. What is the meaning of factorization? Factorization, writing a number as a product of, its factors. When we write a number as a product of its factors, that is called a factorization. What is factorization? Writing a number as a product of its factors is called factorization. Now prime factors. What is the meaning of then prime factors? Factorization in which every factor is prime. When we find factors of a number and all the factors are prime, then at that time we call prime factorization of the number. So prime factorization is a factorization in which every factor is prime, is called prime factorization of the number. You know very well what is prime. Prime numbers are those numbers who has only two factors, 1 and number itself. Now let's understand prime factorization by this example. Here is we have to find prime factorization of 18, but by a factor tree method. So in solution, our question is we have to find prime factors of 18. So write 18, but by factor tree method. So tree method is like this. You have to write 18, 2, 9 or 18. Write 2 here, 9 here, 2, 9 or 18. Now do again here division of 9, 3, 3 or 9. This is like a tree, that is why it's called a tree method. Or you can write simply like this, write in circle 18, 2, 9 or 18, then again find factors of 9, 3, 3 or 9. So 2, 3 and 3, these are prime factors. So prime factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. Now my dear students, pattern of question paper. I will show you the pattern of question paper for your exam. You have questions like this. You have multiple choice questions or you have flops in your exam. Here I have shown you some questions. So for that it's easy for you to understand the question paper, how you have to questions in your exam. First question is the LCM of 5 and 7 is. You have to find the LCM of 5 and 7 and then you have to write the answer here, or you have to take the which one is the correct option. The LCM of 5 and 7. You have first to find the LCM of 5 and 7. Then what is the LCM of 5 and 7? When you got the answer, you will take the correct option. Is 5 35 or is 7 or 12? Which was the correct? You have to take that one. Same is a question. For example, one more question is here. The HCF of 7 and 56. You have to find the highest common factor of 7 and 56. When you find the HCF of 7 and 56, you have to check the correct option. Which one is the correct one? Is A part is correct, B is correct, C is correct, or D? You have to take the correct option. For example, one more question is here. Prime numbers have only dash factors. How many factors a prime number have? You have to write here answer. Is 1 factor a prime number have, 2 factors a prime number have, 3 factors a prime number have, 4 factors which one is correct? You have to take the correct option. This is the pattern of questions for your exams. I hope you have understood this. This is all for today. Do practice of your chapter factors and multiples and be ready for exams. Allah Hafiz.